Are you the person that was excited for Visual Bukkit 6, but then thought,
what the fuck is this piece of shit?
then this video is for you! In this video, I will show you that Visual Bukkit 5 is actually quite similar compared to Visual Bukkit 6. Most of the things have just moved around a little. We will discuss where the blocks went and how you can translate Visual Bukkit 5 blocks to Visual Bukkit 6 blocks. We will also look into the plugin settings and where you can find your plugin file. So, let's start! When opening up Visual Bukkit 6, you probably notice that most of the blocks have disappeared. The purple blocks, most of the green blocks, and all the orange blocks are missing. This is not a bug. The blocks are now just all relocated. Let's start with the purple blocks, which make the foundation of our plugin. Click on Add Component, give your component a cool name, select the component you want to use, and click on OK. As you can see, we now have a command component in our working field. Of course, just having a command that doesn't execute anything is quite boring. So let's make it broadcast a message to all the players in the server. For this, we need to add the broadcast message block you may know from Visual Bukkit 5. But where are they? Well, they're all now in the method blocks. Let me explain. In Visual Bukkit 5, we were used to searching a certain green block to execute code. In this case, it is the broadcast message block. In the case of Visual Bukkit 6, it is the method blocks. We can translate the Visual Bukkit 5 block to the Visual Bukkit 6 block by looking to the words at the top. The words in brackets is the class in Visual Bukkit 6. The next words are broadcast message. You can just search it in Visual Bukkit 6 and select it. You have now translated a Visual Bukkit 5 block to a Visual Bukkit 6 block. You may now think, where are the orange blocks then? Well, you must select most of them now by clicking on the purple and selecting the orange block you want. In this case, we need a string. The thing is, I really like colors, so I want to add a colored string. Next, we write the message we want and you are done. Your code should look like something like this. Next, we want to give our plugin a name. For this, go to Plugin Settings, and here you can give it a name. Next, you can specify the version of your plugin. You can give it a description. You can add the authors. In this case, it is me. You can even add a prefix or a website, and dependencies, soft dependencies, etc. When you're done, click on the cross. Then, build your plugin. Once your plugin is done, you should get the jar location of your plugin. Copy this path, go to File Explorer, paste the location, and you will see your plugin. You can add this plugin to your plugin folder in your server. When you've uploaded your plugin in this server, start your server and try out your plugin. So, to summarize, the purple blocks are now located in the Add component at the bottom. The green blocks, you know of Visual Bukkit 5, are now in the method blocks. You can translate them by looking at the words on the top. Next, we have the orange blocks, which you now can find in the purple fields. A little further, we saw how we can give info about our plugin through the plugin settings. Then we saw how we need to build our plugin and where to find it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. If you want to support me, please consider subscribing. Goodbye!